Uninstall League of Legends. In this video, you are going to learn how to uninstall League of Legends. So let's get started. If you are using it on Windows, open the control panel. You can do this by searching for control panel in the start menu and then click on programs or programs and features. Finding League of Legends in the list of installed programs and right click on League of Legends and select uninstall or uninstall change. Follow the prompts to uninstall the game completely from your computer. Once the uninstallation process is complete, restart your computer to ensure that all components of the game are removed. And if you are using it on Mac, open Finder, go to the Applications folder and find League of Legends in the list of applications. Drag the League of Legends application icon to the trash and right-click on the trash icon in the dock and select Empty Trash. Confirm that you want to permanently delete the application. Once the trash is emptied, the game will be completely uninstalled from your Mac. That's how you will be able to uninstall League of Legends on your Windows or Mac.